कहो ना कहो
Oh yeah.
ये आके बोलती है ओ सनम मुसनम
Oh yeah.
I don't know the words.
ओ मेरे सनम
Oh yeah.
तमल्लिमा
Oh yeah.
इराहे तेरे को आना चाहिए ये सब पर्शियन में.
वो पर्शियन में नहीं है भाई.
Okay,
It's Arabic.
उससे
अरबी गाना है ना.
अरबी. It's close enough, man.
Let's go bhai.
Yeah, let's
Episode 200.
Yeah.
It's episode 200. 200 crazy
200.
episodes bhai. Damn.
Yeah. I'm just looking back.
While looking forward, he's like, I'm just looking back.
In my head, I'm looking back.
Looking back at what a journey it's been.
Yeah, what a ride. है ना?
Yeah. Yeah man. Crazy. Anyway.
We're done celebrating
Next,
200.
moving on.
This song has blown up bro.
Which
Yeah.
one?
This
one.
Tamalli Mac.
Why?
Because it was in that
It's
show.
called कहो ना कहो.
Kaho na kaho.
Tamalli Mac is not-
Tamalli Mac came first, bro. There was an
That-
Arabic song,
that's-
and then they made the Hindi version.
Okay.
He sings that in the show also.
That's the tribute, or?
Kaho na kaho.
I think so.
Inspiration.
Yeah, but that song is blown up because it was on that show, and that show is viral and big and crazy. So
Beautiful show. Fun show.
You're the only one who's watched it,
okay,
no?
first
Yeah,
of
I
all,
watched last.
what is the name of the show?
It's
Because I
supposed
thought it's Bastards of Bollywood,
It is.
but it's not.
No, I
If
think
you
the
count the
bads.
If you count the asterisk, it doesn't add up to Bastards.
No,
not-
but those are stars.
It's not that deep, bro.
That's star.
Yeah, he's right. Stu is right.
It's star, no? Stars of Bollywood.
समझा?
Stars of Bollywood.
उसके बाद
D भी
DS भी है ना उसके बाद.
D
Bads. तो star
हाँ.
is missing.
हाँ,
समझा?
तो इसलिए तो सितारे है ना उसमें लोगों में.
वो ठीक है भाई, but I'm saying they should have put the right number of stars, na? But then.
No.
I think there's a right number. सिर्फ चार ही नहीं ना?
तीन
नहीं.
तीन स्टार है.
तीन है. Okay.
But that's like the logo. कि
ठीक
these
है.
are three
Aryan,
stars.
you've messed up, dude. Like, what's wrong with you?
So everyone's calling it Bads of Bollywood.
That's because it's a censored way of saying
If you
bars.
watch the show, you will know it's bastards.
But bastard is not like a bad word.
It is a bad one.
No, it's used as a bad word, but it's not a bad word.
Really?
Maybe not to put on
Bastard
a
is
poster of
someone
a
without a
mainstream TV show.
Fair.
You can't say bastard on a. Maybe not. I don't know.
Bastard is
Maybe they
a
had-
fatherless child.
Yeah.
अच्छा?
Yeah.
नहीं
Yeah, we
है.
learned it in Seinfeld, no?
In Seinfeld?
By
Yeah.
his bastard child.
Yeah.
That black friend is there, and he calls that child, "You're such a bastard."
Really, it doesn't add up to me because in Game of Thrones, the main character, they call him a bastard. He has a father.
You
It's
might
not his
Oh.
real father, no. It's some.
It is. Oh, right.
Yeah.
असली बाप जिसका नहीं है वो bastard होता
हाँ.
है. Okay, got it.
नकली बाप के.
नकली बाप का.
हाँ.
Crazy. Yeah, but you didn't watch the show, did you?
I watched it.
You watched
I
it?
watched
when-
it, bro.
when did you watch
I
it?
do my research, bro. If I'm gonna do
Crazy.
an episode, ऐसे ही 200 episode नहीं किया भाई मैंने. I sat and I binged it. It was
Yeah.
fun. It was
Fun
a fun
watch.
show.
Yeah.
थोड़ा मतलब upside and downside to the show, I would
Yeah.
say. Like some parts of it were थोड़ा corny, but I think they were meant to be.
Yeah.
Because it was like a over dramatization, like a Farah Khan type कि कुछ भी crazy हो रहा है, which was cool. ठीक है, it's a fun watch. You should put it on. It's worth one watch at least.
100%. Yeah.
And some iconic moments.
Iconic cameos like throughout the show.
Yeah.
Like all these nostalgic people, characters that we
Yeah.
loved.
Also, they pushed it with the humor, which is always a good,
Really pushed it.
always a good
Like,
sign.
Like I would not have expected that kind of a crude humor.
Yeah, like El Lodaya and all, they were saying.
What?
Yeah.
ये बात पे तेरी माँ की मतलब ऐसे सब बोल रहे हैं भाई मतलब.
But do they like censor it or it?
No,
No.
they've gone for it.
Damn, man.
Yeah.
We should watch it then, Krishna.
I
They said
watched it.
LKC
bastard.
When
bunch
the
of
fuck
time.
did you watch
Yeah.
it?
They binge watched it in one day. I came and caught the last 5 episodes with them.
Last 5 is like a lot.
Last 5 or last 4?
You watched like.
साथ ही तो episode है.
Or the last 3 episodes. Something like that. I came and saw the last couple episodes.
Yeah, fun watch. I feel like people should watch it. I feel like everyone's watching it. Everyone's talking about
Yeah,
it.
bro. On the plane, everyone's been watching that shit.
On the plane they were watching it.
Yeah, there's an uncle sitting next to me today. He was watching. Nicely, he had got his earphones. He untangled them, sat, and then I thought he's going to read a book because upar ka light he had kept on. Then he pulls out his iPad and starts watching the show. And I wanted to sleep. I was like, uncle, do you really need this light?
You should have just gone like.
And watched it with him. Bechara,
You said,
Give him a kiss.
you said, uncle, do you really need this light? Then what did you say?
No, bro. Of course, I can't ask uncle that. He's paid for his seat.
Okay, ठीक है.
उसको जितना light लगाना है लगाएगा भाई.
हाँ ठीक है, but it's not that deep. You could have just asked. He would either say yes or no.
You can watch it without the light in front
Yeah,
of his
that
head.
made no sense to me though.
Fuck the uncle. Tell me about the show.
we can't go too deep. It just come out.
So what?
People
You
are
don't want to
still
spoil
watching.
it.
Yeah, I don't want to spoil.
I
No,
mean,
but
some
I want.
moments
I have
are
a
like-
nice. I feel like there's one thing I appreciate. When we were watching it, firstly, I just jumped in like midway, so then I was not as
Just asking fucking 10 questions
yeah.
every 5 seconds.
I was trying to
I
like.
fucking hate people like that, bro. अभी शो है, मैं भी पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. मेरे को क्या मालूम क्या होने वाला है? Fucking shut up and watch ना.
Yeah.
I'm also watching.
Yeah, no, but you had context. No, I didn't have that.
Sometimes like you're watching a movie with your girl and she turns out to be one of those people.
Oh fuck yeah.
And now you can't even say anything because she's your girl. So you got.
इसलिए girlfriend मत बना भाई.
इसलिए. She'll ruin my movie watching experience.
Yeah, man. I just I
That's
like
the
a
reason.
Good movie
quiet
watching
movie
experience.
watch. Like shut up when I'm watching the movie, dude.
Bro, if I get a good girl, I'll stop watching movies.
Make them with her. Producer,
Producer, actor,
Good one, good one.
director,
fuck.
Have you guys ever made any movies?
I'm not talking about this.
reels.
You please don't talk about anything.
He's made na fool of himself.
That all of us have. Bro. At
I'm
some
made.
point we all
वो
have.
तो अभी कर रहे हैं. हम तो जिंदगी भर करेंगे वो.
Yeah.
No, but like a sex tape.
Sex tape.
Yeah, that's what I.
My parents watch the show.
Okay, your
Yo.
parents made, huh?
Watch the show.
ठीक है.
Parents,
Bastards of.
of course they did.
We are the bastards of podcasting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put that as a title.
Yeah.
Bastards of podcasting.
title.
That's a very good title.
है ना?
When it tanks, then you change the name.
Yeah, then I'll put the boys on Bastards of Bollywood. The real thing.
Yeah. No, but no, I've never had the courage to even think of, okay, I'll record.
It
what I'm
doesn't
doing.
require
It's
courage.
Of course it does, भाई.
क्या courage, bro?
क्या courage
It
मतलब
just
भाई?
requires
you're-
storage.
You don't even need to know. Just book an Oyo. Go do your thing. अगले दिन तक आ जाएगा video. Sex tape.
You'll get a link
The-
sent to you.
The idea of
Edited and published.
the idea of me like in that act. I don't want to see myself doing that
You
act
don't want
'cause
to
it's
see
not.
what it looks like.
It's not pretty. It's not a pretty picture.
He
dude.
fucks like a wild dog, huh, this guy? He fucks like a... this guy, he
क्या हो गया भाई?
Like,
gives
how-
off vibe.
what-
He gives
like,
off...
where is this coming from?
Does he not? No,
from
that
last
personal
night's experience.
No.
You were not even here last night.
Yeah,
Is-
exactly.
He also.
I was not there.
युगो ने बहुत सलवार उड़ाया है वो.
Yogu bhai is a player, bro.
This is a nice 200th episode. Let's not make it
200 not out. That is
about
you.
Rohit Sharma of podcasting.
Oh, that's a big compliment you've given yourself. The Rohit Sharma of podcasting might be.
तू भी रिटायर करना पड़ेगा तेरे को इसके बाद ऐसा
अभी-
बोलता रहेगा तो.
Oh, crazy. Yeah. Might just, early retirement.
Yeah.
I'm heading towards that though.
Towards what?
Towards what?
Early retirement.
From what?
From this is the first time I'm bringing this up, by the way, bro.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
early retirement from all of this. Like it could happen. Like I'm serious.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
And you feel like
Wait, hold up.
springing this up on us right now.
Wait, Krishna.
Oh.
But why do you say that?
Yeah, I feel like things are changing now.
You have to get rid of them as well. It's a
Oh.
serious topic.
छोड़ना यार कुछ और मत कर.
Serious topics are without glasses.
Without glasses or
Yeah.
then I don't want to talk about it.
You're leaving us.
No man, I'm not leaving y'all.
Then?
How can I leave y'all?
Then why are you taking premature ejaculation? Look at his eyes. Something went in his
Yeah,
eye.
something went also.
It's the premature.
The premature.
यहाँ से कैसे गया भाई?
क्या मालूम? हाँ, same.
ऐसे
हाँ भाई तो बता भाई.
ऐसे वैसे जैसे.
That's a banger, huh? People were shitting on that song.
Yeah.
I don't fuck with that.
Yeah.
It's a nice song. Have you
I
heard
haven't heard
this
What is the song? Can you sing some for us?
it? Anup Jain ने अच्छे से
Oh
गाया.
yeah.
I can't butcher it like that, bro.
Yugu's brother Anup Jain.
Yeah, he's my boy. Beautiful song.
Y'all look alike.
Yeah. Love that guy, man. What a क्या?
He had come na here. How did
He's right here.
find your time with him?
Looking back at some of our guests.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's look back at the most fun.
You first tell us. what
First
is
tell
it?
us why you retiring, bro.
bomb and he's just running away.
नहीं, I'm saying things are changing now. ठीक है, we're probably moving to a new place and we're probably. You want to talk about that?
Not right now.
It's not.
We'll figure it out, then we'll
Yeah.
talk about it. But some changes are coming.
Some changes
For
are
sure.
coming. So I'm,
More on that later.
yeah, retention. So I've also been thinking about all the things that have happened and the future. So you never know, man. Like early retirement is in consideration as of now.
It's not called retirement if you're going to go and do something else.
हाँ, but I'm saying content. Say
Retiring from content.
yeah, that could happen.
What will you do then?
इतना आगे तक सोचा नहीं है भाई अभी तक मैंने. But
सोचना चाहिए फिर.
Early retirement के बारे में सोच.
He's decided.
I'm still in two minds because this is so fun, man. This is the most fun thing.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Get the
Talking.
I was trying to get some
Bro,
attention,
yeah.
bro.
No, I'm saying this is really fun. That's why it's a tough one.
Achha.
Okay.
Yeah.
You figure that one out.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's on me. But I just wanted to put it out there.
Anyway.
Okay. What were we talking about?
Can I say? Okay, no, go.
No, say.
No, what were we talking about?
That's what I was asking. What were we talking about?
We were
About
talking
bastards.
about no.
We were talking about bastards of Bollywood.
Yeah, Bastards of Bollywood. I think good.
What do you overall? How do you
मतलब
rate this
ठीक था,
show?
bro. I watched it. I could watch the whole thing. 7 episodes. I liked some of it. I didn't like some of it. I think, obviously, like anything else, it can be made better. And I feel like if they do a season 2, they'll get better because this was his first show.
Yeah.
His directorial debut.
Yeah.
Considering he started higher than most directors ever will, with a good cast and
I
a
wonder
solid
how
production. No, it's good, but like taking those assets and turning them into something presentable and nice
Yeah.
that people are liking clearly
Yeah.
is it's successful. I think it's a
For
success.
It's a W, bro. He's used nepotism in the right way.
He made something out of it.
I haven't watched it, but
Just the fact that you said you sat and watched it in one go.
हाँ, मतलब
तूने भी तो एक ही दिन में देखा है.
वही
भाई.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर कोई एक साथ इतना टाइम
Yeah.
निकाल के देख सकता है.
1 hour an episode.
He's done something.
Yeah.
And yeah, it could have been very bad very easily. Like you can fuck up something like this also very easily.
Yeah.
So like all these big names and like doing all these characters. Fuck.
I like how they've really played out each and every stereotype that there is about the industry in the show. And they've done it in such a nice satirical way. It finally feels like there's something real happening, you know,
Yeah.
within this space, because nowadays when we watch movies and all, it's so distant and unrelatable.
Like some of the gags and the
I love
jokes are
Karan Johar
banging.
being the vamp.
Yeah.
These are cool things that, and you know, one thing I'm little uncertain about is, ठीक है, like I'm not a big I didn't even watch the show properly. Maybe I'll do that. But one thing that I really hope this allows now is I feel like the amount of absurdity, the kind of language and the kind of jokes and the kind of people who are saying it, because of who's directed this show, I feel like they've gotten a lot of liberties to do it the way they really wanted to. I really feel like that they, like Netflix and all these shows now, start allowing, you know, more and more people to experiment with what they make and not have the typical sort of shit, you know.
Yeah. It's there, bro. But ये सब के बाद I think
It'll open doors, I feel. It can open
Ranbir Kapoor got like a case filed
Gone
against him.
into trouble, yeah.
for that vape thing. No, I knew
smoking a vape.
it. I knew it. That's so real, bro. You would never have thought Ranbir Kapoor or a A-list star is going to be smoking a Thanos vape in a show
even
on
an
Netflix.
Max relatable. Bhai.
Bro knew the model also.
Bro.
Yeah.
There are
It's
some
very nuts that they
damn
made it so.
crazy jokes here and there,
Yeah.
or like things. That Karan Johar joke where he's like, Ranbir Kapoor goes like, "Oh, is this how it feels to be rejected by a girl?" And Karan's like, "I wouldn't know."
Karan Johar, bro, he made it clear he was gay when that roast happened, bro.
Yeah.
I think since then he just owns it now.
Which is kind of cool, thinking that he's like, if you're gonna do it with humor, I don't mind. Like,
Yeah,
poke fun
yeah,
at
yeah,
it,
yeah.
but don't do it in a like. As long as you've put in effort to write jokes, and also I'm choosing who gets to do it. That's also important.
Correct.
Ki Aryan will obviously, he gets away with it, and AIB got away with it because AIB was just so big. To be just associated with them was like a
Cool thing.
for everyone.
Yeah.
Proper PR boost within like younger people.
Yeah.
So ऐसा अगर randomly कोई करेगा तो maybe he won't be as cool with it, which is also understandable.
Yeah. I think they got more legal trouble now with the whole Samir Wankhede
Yeah.
thing.
What
also.
happened
He
with that?
filed for defamation or something.
But it got rejected.
It got
but-
rejected?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, man. It was hilarious, that whole... You didn't watch that part, but yeah.
No,
it was
I
a
don't.
very
They
similar
did
character.
They did like they took a shot at Samir Wankhede. So this guy who looks like a lot like him is pull up look up Samir Wankhede Bads of Bollywood.
Mm.
So he has a scene where he gets out of the car, the narcotics car, and the camera zooms in on him, and he's like just looking for drugs, and he finds some dude smoking a joint in the open, and he goes to bust him. And that guy just like says, "I'm not from Bollywood," and then the guy was like, "No!"
Oh yeah. Real very.
See, like, not this guy.
No, that was the actor and that's him.
Yeah. Yeah, so they really.
So he thought it looked a little too
No,
familiar.
it was.
to him.
They took a shot at him
but
very
then
clearly.
Shots have been taken
Yeah.
throughout the show, dude.
Yeah.
Like, it was just a fun watch.
So then now he filed for defamation, but the court rejected it.
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah, that's. Have you ever spoken about the whole situation, the Aryan Khan situation?
No, it happened a long time back, bro.
उतना भी time नहीं हो गया, bro. We were doing this by
Been
then.
very long time.
Because that was a big
Yeah, how
thing
did
that had happened. It like shook up
Yeah.
the whole industry fully. Yeah, that was
Yeah.
like.
Say no to cruises.
That's all.
that thing was just fucking... Just the fact that Samay goes to a premiere
Yeah.
of this show where...
Only Samay can get away with something like this, bro.
That's like... Don't even know what you can say to that.
Yeah, it's just like.
Classic.
Man, I'm telling you, if it's funny, people will be okay with it. It just needs to be funny, and Samay is funny. He won't like do a bad joke, and if he's going down, he'll go down for a good joke. It's like that.
Yeah.
So-
A good joke is worth it.
Yeah. So if you have that in your mind and you are self-aware about your jokes or the humor, then people will appreciate it, I think, to some extent. Anyway. But yeah, that whole situation now made this show even more like it hyped it, and they were like, "Oh, this guy is finally doing something," and he's
Yeah.
been through. So a lot of people were like on his side
Yeah.
before the show even came out, and everyone went into it thinking we're going to like this, like we want to like this.
I mean, he's Shah Rukh Khan's son, dude.
Of course.
We get a lot of love anyway. You know, I
Or
feel like
you could have gotten a lot of hate also for being Shah Rukh Khan's son.
what?
It works either way, no?
I mean,
can
when
still
the
be
drug
jealous
thing
of him.
happened, I think there was a lot of, like, every middle class home, I'm sure every parent has gone to the child and said, "I hope you're not doing all this." Did this happen at your house when this happened? My parents lost it, bro. They were like interrogating all my friends if they came over. Like, what do you do?
No, my
What was it?
parents, I don't think they needed Aryan Khan to remember that they should tell me to not do drugs. I think they had told me.
No, but that's just
Otherwise
like just a wake up call throughout society.
Yeah.
कि भाई मेरा बेटा कुछ कर तो नहीं रहा.
कर रहा है, सबका बेटा कर रहा है, तुमको मालूम नहीं है.
Yeah, it's usually right under their nose.
Yeah. They just,
Yeah, right.
They just don't know what it smells like.
It's right under their nose.
Usually they're just like, अरे कुछ अजीब smell आ रही है
I तो fully like ratted on myself only, bro. This one time.
because you fucking
What do
No,
you-
like
what
the,
do you do?
I used to stay in this house where the neighbors were these bachelors who would just like smoke all the time, and you could smell it in my balcony. And then this one day I go to my mom, I'm like, these guys are always smoking weed, yaar. I can just smell it. And she's like, "Oh, how do you know what it smells like?
Huh.
And I was like,
Good question.
खुद के पैर पे
she's
कुल्हाड़ी
like,
हो
I've
गई।
seen my friends like they. Like, oh, she's like, oh, your friends do it. Which friends?
Damn.
Then I was like, अरे
Lodi.
नहीं, so I had to. You guys come off home
Used
often.
to
I
be there
said,
every
I said
day,
my
bro.
college friends.
Oh, nice.
Then my mom would not like it if I hung out with them because she thought कि और वो बेचारे मतलब वो भी फूकते थे वैसी बात नहीं है, but still I kind of snitched on myself.
You are allowed to do all kinds of nonsense in your house.
I've earned that right, bitch.
Yeah, yeah.
You
I
gotta-
mean, maybe not when you were 16.
No one was doing it when they.
No,
Man,
we were fucking around though.
I think like I went through a bit of a rough childhood, so after a point my parents also just gave me
Yeah.
some leeway. They're like, let him let him
cool,
chill.
cool
Let him
parenting here.
chill
I really
thoda.
feel.
Rough childhood कहाँ से आ गया भाई? You've been saying for so long I've had the best childhood.
You didn't know
growing
you didn't know me now when I was a child. You met me much later.
up. हाँ, but you've been saying कि I've grown up with love and affection and
हाँ तो
All
but
this.
yeah, you can still have love and still have a rough childhood.
okay.
And a lot of love that you get as a child, in hindsight, you can look at it and say, oh, that was love. In the moment, it doesn't always feel like love, even though it's love.
That steel scale didn't look like love to me
हाँ.
when I was growing up. Yeah.
Does it look like now?
No.
So yeah, that's also a lot of like in hindsight. Yeah, I'm happy with the childhood that I have because I've turned out fine.
Yeah.
You've turned out fine. It's all good. ठीक है. But like if you think about it, really, you're like, oh fuck, like this was very difficult. I don't know if I've still fully dealt with that phase of my life. Types. So
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, they did give you a lot of leeway.
हाँ बात
College के बाद और
हाँ.
जो भी है.
But if you know your kid is a good kid and he won't, like, he knows how to make decisions, then you trust them to.
Yeah, कर लेगा.
ठीक है, थोड़ा मस्ती करेगा, but he won't get into any really bad trouble, which is all you ask of your child.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't get fucking arrested.
Yeah, none
Like
of us
the
have been
bare
arrested.
minimum. Touch wood.
Yeah, don't get arrested, don't get into drugs, don't get into crime.
Touch wood.
Yeah.
और क्या ही है भाई?
और तो कुछ नहीं है. What else is left? Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Touch wood.
Don't. You've been touching a lot of wood there.
थोड़ा दारू पीने से
थोड़ा
क्या
दारू इधर उधर is fine, bro.
Once in a while.
Yeah, once.
को दस यार ये प्रशांत उधर बैठा.
इनका चालू हो
Prashant, can
गया.
you wear your glasses, bro? You're a part of this team.
I've taken off my glasses.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Can you switch the camera to yourself and let everyone see this
What-
horrible spectacle?
What do you think about this, bro?
This horrible spectacle.
क्या मतलब क्या?
बार बोला तेरे घर वाले इतने अच्छे से ट्रीट करेगा.
तो अच्छे से ट्रीट मैंने कब did I say that I said I had a rough childhood. There are other factors also.
नहीं, we
ना.
covered that. I'm saying कि we were talking about alcohol and stuff.
हाँ, should
तू ही तो बात नहीं कर सकता.
How is that even like on me?
net
It's in you.
chal, net
drank.
net who do we think has drank the most? Like if you were
Net-
to
net?
pour
That's a
all the
good one.
shots in a bucket
Oh,
or a
shit.
fucking dam.
Oh,
Oh shit! It's actually then
I would have had the least.
no. You wouldn't
no
have had.
chance.
He's
It's-
had the least.
It's between.
He's had the least
I've had
for
the
sure.
least alcohol.
Yeah, 100%.
For sure. It's between you and Krishna. Because
Stevie
whenever you
has
guys
mad
drink, you guys
mood.
drink a lot.
Yeah.
No, but
You've
I
been
had,
drinking longer than I
I
have.
had the jump on him.
Yeah,
by
he had
couple
a-
You did
years.
have the jump on.
We
a few
were,
years.
yeah.
It's between the three of y'all then.
Wow.
But
Narrows
beach
it
में,
down.
beach में you had.
both of them. Amin मैंने देखा है Amin नहीं है.
नहीं, but you met him
But you
later.
met him late, na? We've.
तू 16 से 23 तक
नहीं था भाई.
that Amin was a different
Yeah,
beast,
that was
man.
a
that time
beast,
he was
bro.
crazy.
Absolute.
Wouldn't do
Yeah,
so.
I started very late.
And you started.
I remember there was this phase where we would just like do a lot of masti.
Yeah.
Dude, I
And
remember
I
I had
feel
my
like-
first beer with you only. We went to some
Yeah, yeah.
sports bar and.
But that was also my first beer.
I feel like we drank together for the first time.
That's crazy.
Yeah, even my first time was with y'all.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Y'all got me hammered for
Yeah,
no
I got-
reason.
I don't remember my first time.
Bro used to take it to school. Bottle में vodka पी रहा है भाई.
School and all, never.
Yeah.
But who will be the champ amongst the three of us?
I think it's you only. Why?
No, man.
Stewie gets the title, I think.
Nahi.
Because in that.
I don't want to be
In that 18 to 23, 24, you were just a monster.
No, but I started only
You were
late. I
the-
started at
But
20.
this guy has off periods also.
Yeah, I have
Where
many
he
off
gets
periods.
dengue and all beach mein, and then he gets like tonsillitis and all, and then he doesn't
Yeah, then
drink
I
for
have
2
like
months
2 to
after
3
that.
months break.
ठीक है. फिर in that case, I think.
I think
this-
it's me only, bro.
Yeah, I
this
think you're the champ,
championship
probably.
is
It's
going to you.
what champion?
I don't want to contend only for the
The
championship.
Triple A champion.
Most cigarettes smoked is you.
yeah, that is
Undisputed
Lone
champion.
contender.
that is okay. That's a fair.
That day my mom sat in the car, bro. And she
Bastard.
found a lighter. She's like, tell this Krishna not to stop smoking.
Everyone it's his lighter. It's sorry,
He
my
just
lighter.
lies in the car. I don't even smoke.
He's
Sorry,
just
you were
being-
saying something.
He's just
Have I ever?
he's just being a good host in his car. Okay. If anyone wants to
In
smoke,
case someone wants to smoke.
Yes.
Come on,
Lighter.
light one, just light one, man. Life is short.
Yeah.
Bro, I remember there was this one point ki it's not something I'm proud of, but drinking normally had become boring. So we would find different ways of like drinking and like take it to the next level. कि ऐसा shotgun a beer,
Oh, yeah.
ऐसा चाकू
I miss
डाल
those
के
days,
ऐसा
bro.
ये करके पूरा एक
remember
पूरा पीने का.
just shotgunning beers.
The
for-
shotgun days were
Like
too much fun.
Then we would take one fucking tub, fill it with all different alcohol, and put juice and fill it, like make some blue drink.
Yeah.
Fuck,
And
boy.
then you have like one of that, and you're fucked.
We had a cooler of this blue
Cooler
drink.
में सीधा.
Stupid.
Every party.
Juvenile shit.
Call
bro.
all the girls from the area.
Imagine we would have vlogged all of this bro, back then.
girls from the area.
That sounds wrong.
Play some music,
Yeah.
pour some drinks, not do anything.
Throw up later.
Always someone was throwing.
Yeah.
That was the best part तो नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, but that was a part of house parties back then. Someone will drink more than they should, and they will throw up all over your
They'll
living
throw
room.
up or
Someone
they'll
will
pass out,
drink
bro.
more than they should. Someone will like trouble one girl and all. Then someone will be like telling him, "Hey, you shouldn't have done that." every
I've gotten into fights, bro. Like someone.
तो लड़की क्यों छेड़ता है भाई?
मैं बचाता हूँ.
Good one.
I save them, dog. I stand up for
मत
them.
करना भाई.
This fucking and who was even inviting these fucking dicks to the
You don't
parties,
know.
bro?
They don't know. You don't know their dicks, bro. You call people based on how they're sober,
Correct.
not how
Once
they're
they're drunk, you don't know them.
वो
रप्टम
time
देने का.
But as we've also caused drama and all, bro.
We've never gone and caused like stirred shit. up.
No, not like that. But like, ऐसा लड़की के साथ झगड़ा कर दिया. मैंने तो किया था काफी.
तूने तो बहुत कुछ किया है.
I told you I had a rough childhood.
Rough teenage.
That is what he
man.
considers childhood.
It was a rough teenage for sure.
Hey, the teenage was whatever. Heartbreak, ये वो सब लौड़ा लहसुन मिला के मजा ही आया भाई end में.
Yeah.
Like it was all good. in the
It
end.
all shapes.
All
up.
shapes, man. Like
Yeah.
doing that made me realize, okay, now let's get your shit together. 'Cause
Yeah.
if I hadn't done that, then I'd still be. I mean, I still am, but not as much. And I still get shit done.
Yeah.
I get shit done so that I can go and get fucked up
Yeah.
and have a good time.
Yeah. Getting
Balance,
fucked up
balance.
and having a good time still remains a very fun part
Yeah,
of our lives.
yeah, bro. It's
We sound
fucking-
like such degenerates.
we sound like
bro.
ex-degenerates.
But we earn the getting
It's
fucked up
balanced,
whenever
bro.
we
It's
do.
like creatine and whey through the week, tequila and soda over the weekend.
तुम लोग का डाइट है ये. मैं क्रिएटिन वे टेकीला
Creatine and whey, and weekend you lose your way.
It works, but it works. I'm telling
Yeah.
you.
It's working for you. For
Work
sure.
hard, play hard. I mean, it's not the best that like if I wasn't doing all of this, I'd probably be fucking jacked.
It's not optimal.
Yeah, but
it's
if you're gonna be doing,
But you're living life, bro, at the end of the day.
if you're gonna be doing the fucked up shit anyway, might as well do the good shit also.
Yeah.
It's better than only doing the fucked up shit, is what I'm trying to say.
That
And
is
I think it's good advice.
Solid advice.
Great advice.
10 out of 10.
This is after 200 episodes, I've
This is
finally
what you-
surrounded myself with a bunch of yes men.
No, we listed out the bad parts of this.
10 out of 10 advice.
Chal, let's do another
Championship.
look back at a guest and
Remember when?
remember a good guest moment
Oh man.
from the 200 episodes.
Okay, let's go phase by phase.
No, just pick one.
No, let's-
pick one out. There it goes. There it goes.
Poonam.
grab it. Grab it.
I can't grab.
He would have. If he could have, he would have.
Too respectful.
He started drooling.
Poonam was fun, bro.
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
I don't think we fully savored the moment.
Savored the
Like we were too.
Hey, wait, what's the sound?
It's outside.
Okay. Sorry, continue.
Those glasses are adding some extra swagger with it.
Yeah, I'm saying
Yeah,
that we were just too focused on getting the episode done and making sure it's good and all. We didn't really, like, you know.
Oh, yeah, she was showing us pictures of her dog.
Oh.
There's a cute dog.
Okay. Yeah, we were seeing pictures of Poonam's dog. And just talking to her man about life, it was an interesting conversation.
very interesting.
Some fun moments for sure. That one moment where Yugu goes, she was like, you wouldn't marry a chick if she wears a bikini. And Yugu goes, who the fuck are these idiots? Who are these fucking idiots?
Yeah, that just sounded like a very stupid thing to me.
Mm.
Like if you're
Would you like your wife to wear a bikini?
on the beach, yes. Not when we're having dinner.
So that's
That's
what she
weird.
meant.
What
That's
if it's
she
just the
meant.
both of you?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Okay.
Mast खाएंगे.
At the beach you can wear.
हाँ, at the beach तो
Juhu Beach.
Juhu Chowpatty.
Juhu beach.
Would
Does
you-
anyone even go to Juhu Beach like as if it's a beach?
No one goes to.
I have never
हाँ,
been
but
to
that
Juhu Beach.
makes it even worse.
You're too.
So no.
He became a little.
Sorry, क्या बोला था?
I'm exposing his hypocrisy.
Go.
How?
I said,
try.
I said if your wife wears a bikini on the beach, he said it's okay. But I said, what if it's Juhu Beach? Then he said, oh.
Then I didn't answer yet.
Huh, so say
Answer now. What would
Yeah,
you do?
fuck whatever she wants.
Whatever she wants.
what kind of a cuck would want their wife to wear a bikini on Juhu Beach?
If she wants to.
पाव भाजी खाने को आते हैं लोग.
तो पाव
भाजी खाते
पाव भाजी वो बीच
तेरे बीवी
के
के-
बीचों बीच नहीं खाते ना भाई बना के वो दूर चौपाटी में बना रहा है दिस फकर हैज नेवर इवन बीन टू जुहू बीच तू क्या फटबॉल कर रहा है
bro.
एक बार नहीं
For a
गया है जुहू
reason.
बीच
I wouldn't go there clothed also. Let alone in a bikini.
नहीं if she wants to I'm down even I'll go in a bikini I don't
But
give
it's
a
nice,
fuck.
but
even I'll wear a bikini दोनों पहन के
Bro is
जाएगा
wearing a G-string.
The bro's doubling down.
yeah fuck yeah
no, it's a very empowering
Must
way.
be
of-
real love, bro.
that's what I'm saying
If I see a man and woman on Juhu Beach in bikinis, I'll be like, ha. I hope this love finds me.
हाँ इनसे दूर रहते
I want what
I
they're
hope
on.
this finds me. तुमने वो देखे those like memes and not memes, they're like these posts.
Yeah,
where
we've
it's
seen
like I
memes.
hope this finds me and it's
Yeah.
a cute moment.
Yeah.
Bro, I'll tell you guys one thing.
Mhm.
My algorithm right now is so crazy that I'm playing like fucking next level 3D chess, bro.
What are you doing?
I've made my algorithm in a way that I get relationship style like or like fuckboy memes and shit that are meant for girls.
Oh,
So
you're in enemy territory.
I'm in enemy. I can see what kind of things, what kind of jokes they're laughing at, what kind of guys, like what traits they're looking for and shit. Like it's deep, bro. the
That is very smart.
And where has that gotten you?
the fuckery has reached peak.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you're saying you have like inside information.
Yeah.
Do you feel like it's helping you in any?
I don't know if it's helping me, but like I didn't realize this was happening.
Hmm.
I was like, oh, everyone must be getting these.
But why do you have such a sassy feed?
It's not sassy.
Then
It's like memes that girls would get.
Why
wouldn't
you
those be
getting-
sassy?
No, it's not necessarily
They're-
sassy.
They have a.
They're like, you know how there'll be a meme for about a guy is like, oh, me when a girl with a fat ass or like whatever, or some traits that you like.
It's like me and bro dancing
Huh.
to a girl of our type.
Kya?
I've sent you those. So
Anyway,
continue.
but it's like the female version of this.
Okay.
Like me when a guy with, I don't know, blue
Okay, okay.
eyes or whatever.
It's stuff that girls like
Okay,
and
okay,
share
okay.
and are laughing at.
The situations that they find funny and like
So
things
all
they
your-
relate with. So then I sent this girl this one fucked up thing that she had liked,
Hmm.
and it was one of these things only. And she laughed it off. She's like, ha ha ha, this new likes feature is gonna get me cancelled or something like that. Then after a few days, I found another thing that she had liked, and I was like, bro, what the fuck? And then she's like, hey,
Why are you getting
why
all
are you
of
getting these memes in your feed?
this? Good, smart woman.
Then I
been
started,
spotted.
I started thinking about it, but I was like, because you've liked it, obviously,
Yeah.
I was seeing it in the friends feed. But I realized कि वो मेरे friends feed में आया ही नहीं था, वो मेरे normal
Normal
feed
feed.
में आया था. So then I sensed the pattern कि I'm getting memes that are meant for them, but I've been like seeing them, so now it's a part of my thing. So now I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. I think
No,
it's a
it's
good
a very good thing.
I don't know, man. It depends on how you're gonna use this or
How do you
it
think he's
affects
going to use it?
thing. Use it.
you. Yeah, it's information.
I plan to abuse it.
Bro's
You
learning
can
from
like
it.
just
Not
keep
good
sharing it.
I'm just
If you have a girl who you like and you're chatting with, you can like share
turning
it
into a
with.
fuckboy. Wait.
You can start sharing it with her, and she'll feel like, oh, I have so much in common with this guy.
Nahin, it's-
He knows what I think is funny.
You should not do that.
No. I've stopped manipulating girls, bro.
Yes.
You
That's
Now if they get
finally-
manipulated by me,
मतलब क्या?
like if they just get
It's on them.
like I'm just being myself and they end up getting manipulated,
पर तू ऐसा क्या?
they end up getting
ऐसा क्या
that's not on me.
Yeah, if they
I
end
might
up
be
getting manipulated,
manipulative,
it's
but I
different.
don't manipulate them.
But you might be manipulative.
Yeah.
In nature.
I am manipulative, but I don't manipulate them. They might.
But
get
you might be manipulating them.
I don't. They get manipulated.
You're not manipulating them, but
नहीं
you're
वो नहीं
manipulative.
वो नहीं
So they
वो
might
नहीं कर
get
रहा है
manipulated.
वो नहीं कर रहा है
वो
वो
हो रही है।
हो रहे खुद से हो
हो रहा
रहे
है, bro. हो रहा है.
He's
What,
on-
what is wrong with
idiots.
them, bro?
Did you the 3D chess, bro?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is 4D.
This is like
Crazy, bro.
some other
No, but for real, I've stopped.
good, bro.
I've
You
stopped.
shouldn't.
I
It's
haven't
so
stopped
bad.
playing games though, because there's a difference. Being manipulative is one thing. Playing games is another. Playing games is okay.
Playing games, you're part of the game.
You have to play games.
You have
If
to
someone says you don't have to play games, they're an idiot. They don't know. They probably don't get any.
But not refusing to play the game is also a game that they're
No,
playing.
it's not.
It is a
You're
different
sitting
strategy.
out of the game then.
It's
Nahi,
a,
nahi.
That's
it is
my
a
game,
strategy.
bro.
It's also a strategy.
That's my
तूने
game.
तो
I
book
don't
book
play
पढ़ी
the
थी
in
game.
your
भाई.
game.
It is a strategy if you're active on social media. You can't just stop playing the game and focus on yourself and do everything and not post about it and expect girls to come to you. Where the fuck are these girls supposed to come to you?
हाँ मतलब you.
How do they know
have
you're a
to-
high value man?
Yeah.
You gotta make them-
You gotta post some stories.
They gotta know you're a high value man.
Stories
I'm
तो
on the
डालते
correct
हैं
side
भाई.
of the table. This guy gets it. I like this guy.
I like this guy.
High value men. Yeah, they look like this.
You're the picture book of high value men, right?
When was the last time you guys spoke to a girl?
I haven't spoken in a while. I don't even remember. I think in like months, so many
What
months. back.
nonsense, bro.
Shows. You?
I think maybe Friday.
Friday.
Today is Saturday.
We're in September, probably in
Sunday,
like
Monday.
June or like
Bullshit.
before June.
Bullshit.
Bro, I remember you.
When we went to that place that time, that was in June.
That was not in June.
Yes,
just
it
so you
was.
know.
It was even before June, by
एक
the way. It was in
second,
May.
Krishna. We all went for a rave together.
It was in June.
It
was
was
June?
the end of June. End of June.
It's been a while,
After
man.
we said it, I realized it was end of June.
Shit. ठीक है,
But
I just believe.
I know of other things I found out that you did after.
No. I've
Krishna,
not done any.
झूठ मत
What's the tea, guys?
झूठ मत बोल.
What's the
I've
tea?
been hanging out with Gaurav, just so you know.
What did I do with Gaurav? You fucked him, didn't you?
Yeah, sure.
You goes upset now.
Gaurav, for context, is this guy who lives at Krishna's.
No, he doesn't.
He almost lives at your house.
No.
Gaurav is a
Live-
friend who spends
Gaurav
a
is
lot of
also
time.
an
at
ex-producer. The
Yeah.
first few episodes.
Yeah,
Right,
he's
right.
here. He's here in the house today.
Yeah.
Not in the room though.
You should have sat to produce.
The
this one.
producing has gone down, I must say, after.
Shut your mouth, bro. You can't criticize your producer publicly.
Oh, shit.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Fuck.
That's not a good move.
सॉरी भाई, आपके गुची क्लासेस में बाद में पॉलिश कर दूंगा सर, बाद में आपके. ठीक है, माफ कर देना मेरे को बस. He's just giving me a death stare.
Yeah, he's tired of you. How many times did you make fun of him?
Switch it to yourself.
I don't think. Oh, he has. Hey, let's go. Prashant Goje in the house.
You have nothing to say to that?
मैं बाद में बोलूँगा कैमरा ऑफ होने का मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है उसके
कोई नहीं भाई.
लिंकेड के बारे में
Okay.
करता है रात के 2-2
Damn.
Order
What
food. Order whatever.
Food.
Yeah.
You do eat
what?
what comes, but
I'll order like a protein bar or something.
Oh, that's not what you call it.
What? What
yeah,
is
I
it
call a
called?
protein bar a protein bar.
What are we talking about?
Yeah, maybe some Super Youth chips also. Not sponsored. Yeah.
Well, look.
not sponsored. You heard him out. He's like Super Youth chips, not sponsored. They're sponsoring you, in the middle.
Anywho.
Any which way.
Any,
Going back.
I want from Super You.
Yeah, we were talking about guests, bro.
Yeah, guests.
Looking back.
Can we talk about an episode that could have made it but never made it? But
No.
should have made it? No?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
It hurts me.
It hurts you, no? It hurts all of us, bro.
Yeah.
A few episodes.
We still have the files. It'd be
Yeah.
a shame if someone leaked it.
It actually would.
Pull a Drake.
Yeah, like this.
Leak it yourself.
There's this very big episode that was crazy.
क्या पता, शायद लीक हो जाए.
Shayad. Yeah.
Let's hope.
Anyway, I've stopped manipulating girls.
Yeah.
And it's been good. It's been
Yeah.
fine. I've realized कि थोड़ा एक दो चीज़ें सीखने पड़ते हैं
Hmm.
when you're trying to
Not manipulate.
And you're trying to
when
swat.
when you're trying to spend some time and
Nice.
meet new people, you've got to play certain games.
Hmm.
So I've just gotten the hang of it.
Yeah.
Met anyone interesting through this?
No, I've just like now gotten the hang of it, so I'll implement it soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Agle boys episode tak we'll see if like what happens with this
Yeah.
implementation.
Another 2 weeks from now.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I should go for it.
Yeah.
Go for it.
I think I'm ready for my first marriage.
There is this episode from Jan of this year.
Huh.
Amin is like, I think I found the one,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get married. And Krishna goes, ow!
The
So do you
dog's got a bark, bro.
Your dog barks a little too much.
You'll be happy, man. You wouldn't bark like that if you found out for real. For real, bro. For real.
If for real he finds someone, then I will.
let's say, okay, episode 200, we're no longer children anymore.
Yeah.
We're 27 years old, everyone.
Okay.
That's why I've stopped manipulating girls.
Okay, I got the note down, brother.
Panchvi baar bol ke is manipulating us.
That he did in the first time itself.
No, he only spoke about manipulating the girls. No, बाकी के लोग ठीक है.
नहीं वो खुद
नहीं, like what would be the appropriate reaction for you to find out that,
someone's getting married.
yeah, not married or moving forward in life, it's always a
Something like this. What?
yeah.
That would be a good reaction.
Yeah, take your glasses off for a news like this. I would, seriously though, I would like go and hug that person.
That person.
नहीं, whoever's getting married.
His girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
अभी he's asking हम में से अगर
Yeah.
कोई ढूंढता है.
शादी तो कोई नहीं करेगा भाई अभी.
Stewie, just because not all marriages break up, Stewie. Some of them
But
stay.
none of us have anyone potential to get married to right now.
You might not have.
That's why.
Oh, you have
I have plenty.
plenty.
Yeah.
Nicely done. This will take you far, bro. I told you guys.
Box always. This guy.
I like this guy.
Yeah, I'm sold, bro.
I haven't
I'm sold.
I'm
This
so
guy's got it. This guy's got something in it.
Yeah.
It took 200 episodes for it to come out, but
आज
I just
भौंका
knew
है.
it, bro. I just knew it from the start.
the fuck up, man.
Yeah.
Where are we?
I said first marriage should happen soon. पहली ही तो है, करके देखते हैं क्या होता है. First one तो
एक ही करनी है भाई, पहली क्या है?
इसको 3 allowed है ना legally. It's 3 or 4. It's 4 ना? Bro immediately pulled it up. None of that to ask him also for a change.
He also wants to
I don't know, man. I think I will be with one woman at a time. I think that's the pace I want to take. I'm not saying I'll be with the same woman for the rest of my life, but while I'm
One
with her,
woman
I'm
at a time.
with her.
Wait, this is an interesting Google search, guys.
What is it typed? How many?
Four spouses.
I was right.
Jesus. Wow. Up to 4 spouses at the same time.
Oh, so your plan can change then.
I don't believe in that. In that. I don't subscribe to that.
kind of love. But multiple wives, he's your man.
No, one at a time. he said.
नहीं,
I don't subscribe to the concept of having multiple wives.
at the same time.
At the same time.
You can
One-
have
one after another.
Yeah, one after another is perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How
So,
many do you think you'll have?
One only.
One only.
One only. But the first one I'm ready for.
You keep
But then how is it then?
Saying it as
One
if you
only-
have like
Hopefully it
five.
works out now, but if it doesn't, then there's room for another.
You seem very sure it most likely won't work out.
No, I don't even say that.
He doesn't even
But it
know.
might not,
You're-
statistically, it might not work out. But it's like the odds of it not working out are very high. So it's a real
Yeah.
prediction. जो लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं टूटेगा तो उनका भी टूटता ही है ना, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
Yeah, no.
Wake up and smell the coffee, bro.
Smell the fucking coffee.
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
Writings on the
This
wall.
guy is also like, yeah, smell the coffee.
This is it's a reel, bro.
I'm sure it was something.
Then one guy saying, "What is the coffee? What is the coffee?" I've not seen it. It's funny. I'll look for it later.
Yeah, I'm just a realist.
Yeah.
What can I say?
No, but it's a puzzle, bro. A lifelong puzzle you will have to actively try and solve.
Yeah.
Right? The marriage.
Yeah.
So
Maybe a second wife is the final piece to that puzzle. Who knows?
she'll come with her own pieces, no?
More pieces can't hurt.
One
Don't
big
make
puzzle that
complicate the
we're all
puzzle.
trying to solve.
Yeah. Having a deep squad is always a good thing.
Yeah, I wouldn't know, man.
Huh?
Deep squad and all.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sir.
bro.
Okay,
What are
Mr.
these terms?
Mr. Protein Bar. you know when you order protein bar and a snack, deep squad.
I just want to hit my protein goals. Bro. I don't know what
Of course, you're looking in the wrong places then, buddy.
नहीं, yeah, maybe I am looking in the wrong place.
Just because it looks like. Bleep this, huh? Bleep this.
Yeah.
Bleep this.
Don't keep that. That was disgusting.
Oh, I have 200
Looks like
episodes,
that.
man. That's fucking crazy. Doing this bullshit,
Yeah.
I will never understand how. This,
How? Why?
how and why this whatever
How,
this is works. it just does. I think our parents also feel the same way. The other day, someone asked me, "What do your parents think about your podcast?" And I feel like they've just accepted it.
Yeah.
Like that's it.
They've come to terms with it.
They've come to terms with it, and in the process, they've kind of started liking it also. I've realized.
They have no other
'Cause
choice.
if you didn't like
That
it, you
is
wouldn't
true.
watch every episode.
Maybe it's just to support us, no?
I'm then that's good. Like we lucked out with good parents if they sit and watch this bullshit to support us.
Yeah, thank you.
I still believe that they secretly like it. Like they like parts of it because
There are
it's not
some-
all bullshit.
There's, yeah,
Some
there's
jokes.
It's like you
stuff
gotta
from-
keep up with the
some real
bullshit to
Yeah,
get to
yeah.
the good stuff also.
It's like
And that's what marriage is. Damn, bro.
No, the second one. The
Damn.
second one.
Arey, what would you know about
I'm on your side over
Your
here.
opinion is.
You're saying your first one you want to end.
Nah, bro. This guy sometimes he doesn't get it.
ये देख.
Motherfuckers have turned
Again, he's
on-
manipulating us.
No, sorry. Please, go on. I'm done speaking.
No, bro, but 200 episodes is crazy.
200 बार बोलेगा क्या अभी? Yeah, but to
200.
to keep it real, I think it's wild that people fuck with this and they watch it, and we get to do it for as long as we've gotten to do it.
200 episodes.
Precisely 200 episodes, and yeah, I don't see us stopping this anytime soon. Don't know about Yugu, but the rest of us,
Bro's thinking.
we're gonna keep doing this, and I hope you guys stick around for the ride.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna be a ride.
It's a roller coaster.
You too, Yugu.
Yeah.
We hope you stick around.
I'm not going anywhere, bro.
He's changed. He's made up his mind.
He's made up his mind.
That
He's
was
back.
Fast. That was fast.
The glasses are off.
I'm not fucking leaving.
थोड़ा करने का यार ड्रामा वगैरह.
Me in a relationship.
That's what marriages are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं, but seriously though. Seriously. 200 episodes.
Yeah, बस ना भाई.
Yeah. नहीं, it's been a ride. Fuck. और करना है भाई.
To 200 more.
200 more.
200 more. Yeah, I feel like 200 is very less. We should have done like more. Shouldn't have been.
I mean, technically, we've done more than
We have
200.
done more,
We used to do members episodes once upon a time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Biggest scam.
Who are
of,
members?
Scam of the century.
50 रुपए लेते
is
थे
our
हम महीने का.
membership.
Is it still on?
Yeah.
Bro, at this point, they know what they're getting into.
They
Yeah,
don't know
like
that
if you're
they've
still
gotten
paying
into
for
this.
it, you're the idiot. I'm sorry.
No, they're doing it so that we can.
Thanks for the support, though. I think
I'm also paying, bro.
हमारा लाइट का
Follow
बिल
my
तो
YouTube
मेंबरशिप के
account.
पैसे से ही जाता है. That's why I haven't switched it off till now.
नहीं तो light will switch off.
एपिसोड अपलोड कैसे करेंगे लाइट का बिल देंगे तो.
Thanks, yaar. Thank you, members.
Thank you to the members, and thank you to
All the viewers.
all the guests who came on this show, along all the guests who have been on this show, and the people behind the scenes who've put this together.
Yeah.
Prashant currently, Gaurav in the past, Piyush at some point, Ali, who's helped us start it. All these boys have really, like, उनका भी बहुत हाथ है इसमें.
Anish, bro.
Anish and I was getting to it. You make me look like a chew
Yeah,
for forgetting it.
I thought you forgot.
नहीं, Anish is the money man, and like way more than that. He does everything honestly.
Yeah.
वो चिकन भी मंगाता है, सुबह को अंडा भी मंगाता है और नेगोशिएट भी करता है, सब करता है वो.
He brings the bread and the cheese home. Yeah.
Yeah, and who else?
Sorry if you are forgetting anyone.
Who else is there? Man, anyone who's been a part of this, the members, the audience,
Yeah.
our families, our parents, all the girls who have given us stories.
Yeah, thank you, man. I'm grateful. I guess.
And thanks to me for doing it, so starting this.
And lastly,
Yeah. And yeah, man, I think
Bro, it's like Snoop Dogg.
I think I've covered everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
or kuch.
I think we're good.
We're good. Chalo, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Bye.
It's too silent, bro.
Yeah.